Welcome to Mabel Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Mabel Daily English. I am Mabel.
And I am David. Hi, everyone.
David, today we're tackling something tricky.
Oh, tell me.
3 words that confuse almost every learner.
Which 3?
Be, been, being.
Those 3. I genuinely never know which one to use.
Good news. After today, you will.
I really hope so.
Before we dive in, thank you for being here.
Of course.
If you enjoy this, a like and a subscribe really helps us.
Every like, every subscriber, thank you, really.
Okay, let's get into it.
Let's go.
Close your eyes, David.
Hold on. Eyes closed? Very mysterious.
Imagine one single tree.
I see it. Tall and green.
Every tree has a type: oak, pine, maple.
Right. Got it.
That type never changes. That is its identity.
Like what it simply is.
Right. And that word is be.
Just be?
Good. Now say this. I want to be fluent.
I want to be fluent. Oh, that feels different from what I usually say.
That's it. That's your tree type, fluent.
Wow, so I'm choosing what kind of tree I want to be.
Yes, exactly that.
I love that.
Now notice something. Be is not an action.
Not like running or jumping.
Right. No movement at all.
So it's not what I do, it's what I am.
Spot on, David.
Wow, I'm getting smart today.
Let's practice. Imagine your first day at a new job.
Yikes, I'm nervous already.
You take a breath and whisper,
I want to be brave?
yes, I want to be brave.
I can feel that one.
Now imagine exam morning, heart racing.
Oh no, I hate exam mornings.
You take a breath and say,
I want to be ready.
perfect. I want to be ready.
Whew, I already feel more ready.
So here is your golden rule.
I'm ready. Tell me.
Be tells you what kind of tree you are.
B tells you what kind of tree I am.
Exactly. Not your action, just your identity.
Right. I want to be fluent. That's just who I'm choosing to be.
Wow, you already feel it.
I really do.
David, let's cut into the tree trunk.
Wait, cut into it? Sounds intense.
Just imagine it. Nothing scary.
All right, imagining now.
Inside, you see rings. Many thin rings.
Rings, like a target board.
Exactly. Each ring is 1 year.
Some thick, some thin?
Yes, busy years make thick rings.
So old rings are still inside.
Right. They never disappear.
So what's the word for that?
That word is been.
Been, like B plus N?
Sort of. Tell me something you've done for years.
I have been learning guitar.
Wow. Say the full sentence.
Oh, I have been learning guitar for years.
Perfect. That ring started long ago.
And it's still inside me today.
Exactly. The ring connects past to now.
I can feel that connection.
Notice something. Been is not just the past.
Not like, I learned guitar.
Right. That sounds finished. Done.
But been means it's still happening.
Spot on. Still true right now.
Wait, so it's a bridge? Past to present?
Yes, a ring that's still there today.
No way. I love that.
Think of it like a timeline. The ring sits in the middle.
So the past isn't gone. It's just stored.
Let's try more. Imagine a long friendship.
Oh, I actually have a few of those.
You'd say,
Of course, we have been friends for 10 years.
Beautiful. That ring runs deep.
Oh, 10 years already.
Time flies, doesn't it? Now imagine a tough week at work.
Oh no, I know that feeling.
How do you say it?
I have been exhausted?
Yes, I have been exhausted lately.
Whew, that word fits perfectly.
One more. Imagine traveling a lot.
Yes, I love travel questions.
Someone asks about your trips. You say,
Easily. I have been to so many places.
wow, that's a rich ring. One more about English itself.
Huh, perfect timing.
How long have you studied English?
I have been studying English for 2 years.
Beautiful. That's a strong ring. Last one. Imagine learning to cook.
My cooking ring is small.
That's okay. Try the sentence.
I have been learning to cook since March.
Great. Small ring, but it's growing. So here's your golden rule.
Tell me, Mabel.
Bin is the ring inside the trunk,
It happened back then.
but it's still part of you today.
I have been learning guitar. That ring is still growing.
Exactly that, David.
Wow, I actually get this now.
David, last part of the tree today.
Wait, what's left?
Look up. The leaves are moving.
Moving. Is it windy?
Yes, but only right now.
So when the wind stops...
The leaves stop too. Picture standing under that tree.
All right, I'm standing there.
You feel the leaves brush your hand.
I can almost feel it.
Now look closer. Some leaves move more than others.
Why is that?
Stronger wind in that spot. More dramatic motion.
So bigger behavior, bigger wind?
Sort of. Nice connection.
So that's the third word?
Yes, that word is being.
Being. Sounds so active.
It is. Let me paint a scene.
Go for it. I'm imagining.
Imagine your coworker, always calm, always quiet.
Oh, I know someone like that.
But today, she's snapping at everyone.
Oh no, that's so unlike her.
What would you say about her?
Maybe she is being rude?
Yes. Notice the word being.
Why not just say she is rude?
Huge difference. Listen carefully.
I'm listening.
She is rude means her personality. Always.
Oh, that's actually an insult.
Right. But she is being rude.
Means just right now, like the leaves.
Exactly. The wind will stop soon.
So calling someone being rude is actually kinder.
Much kinder. It protects their feelings.
Wow, that's such a kind way to say it.
Let's try another. A friend cries over a tiny mistake.
Whoa, over something tiny?
What would you tell them? Gently.
You are being dramatic?
Excellent. Just for this moment. Now imagine your boss, usually strict.
Oh boy, strict bosses are intense.
But today, he's joking and laughing.
No way. What would I say?
Try it.
I am being so funny today.
Great. Just today, not forever.
Maybe he got good news.
Maybe. We'll never know. One more. Your quiet coworker is suddenly chatty.
Whoa, that's unusual.
What would you say?
He is being so talkative today.
Excellent. Just today. Tomorrow, back to quiet. So here's your golden rule.
Tell me, Mabel.
Being is the leaf moving in the wind.
Just for now.
Exactly. The wind will stop soon.
He is being funny, but it won't last forever.
Remember, the wind always stops.
That's comforting, actually.
Behavior changes, but you, underneath, stay you.
That feels reassuring.
You've got it, David.
Seriously, this finally makes sense.
David, let's compare all three now.
Huh, side by side?
Remember the tree, type, ring, and leaf?
Thinking, right, identity, history, and right now.
Yes, same word, 3 pictures. Let's use calm.
Sure, I'm ready.
Imagine choosing your personality goal.
Thinking about it.
First, identity. Say it.
I want to be calm.
Good. That's your tree type. Now, the ring. Think of the last few weeks.
I have been calm lately.
Yes, past connecting to now. Imagine your friend during a stressful exam.
Stressful exam. Got it.
Normally, she panics, but today she's calm.
Whoa, you are being so calm today.
Perfect. Same word, 3 meanings.
Wow, my brain just clicked.
1 tree type, 1 ring, 1 leaf moment.
That actually makes sense now.
Same word, 3 totally different pictures.
My English just got so much deeper.
Quickfire round. Let's try brave.
I actually love quickfire rounds.
Identity.
I want to be brave.
Ring.
I have been brave lately.
Leaf.
You are being so brave right now.
Wow, you nailed it without even thinking. Now, something fun. The error lab.
Oh, what's that?
I'll say a sentence wrong, you fix it.
Wait, really? I get to correct you?
Yes, don't enjoy it too much.
Oh, I will.
Okay, listen. I am been tired.
Something's off there.
What's wrong with it?
You mixed am and been. They don't go together.
Yes, so how do we fix it?
I have been tired.
Spot on. You needed have for the ring.
I'm getting good at this.
Ready for round 2?
Bring it on.
1 more. Listen. She being happy all the time.
That sounds incomplete.
What does it need?
It needs is. She is happy all the time.
Yes, be alone needs a partner.
Wait, so be never stands alone?
Almost never. It needs am, is, or are.
Got it. Be needs backup.
You survived the error lab.
Barely, but I did it.
Okay, David, time for a role play.
I love these already.
We're best friends planning a surprise party.
Love it. I'm wearing my planning hat.
Set the scene. It's evening. The house is quiet.
Nice. Quiet house, secret plan.
Balloons everywhere. Cake hidden in the closet.
I can already see it.
Use be, been, and being naturally. No stopping.
All right, let's do it.
Action. Hey, David, we need to be quiet tonight.
Ah, I know. I have been planning this for weeks.
Relax. You're being way too nervous.
Maybe. I just want it to be perfect for her.
You will be. Trust the plan.
Whew. I have been worrying for nothing.
Cut. Wow, did you feel that?
I did. I didn't even think about grammar.
Break it down. What happened?
Be quiet was just a state.
Yes, your tree type tonight.
Have been planning was the ring, weeks of work.
Exactly.
And being nervous was just right now.
Brilliant, David. You felt all 3.
Did you hear yourself too? You used will be.
Busted. Future identity. Sneaky, right? Let's lock this in forever.
I think I'm ready.
Be is your tree type, who you are.
Got it.
Been is the ring, past connected to now.
Makes sense.
Being is the leaf, just for this moment.
I've got all 3 now.
Look at you! 3 words fully mastered. Now your homework.
Tell me.
Write 3 sentences in the comments.
Oh, 1 for each word?
Exactly. Be, been, and being.
Like, I want to be patient?
Wonderful example. Now try been too.
Easy. I have been practicing patience.
Lovely. That's a strong ring already. And if this lesson helped you,
Hit subscribe. Don't forget.
and if you're new here,
Welcome to the family.
I'm so proud of you today, David.
Thanks, Mabel. This was really fun.
Thank you all for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson, everyone.